Hi, it's Lena Hologram, and welcome back. Today I'll be doing a presentation on this beautiful bird called the bird of greater paradise. Stay tuned. The greater bird of paradise, Paradisaea apoda, is a bird of paradise in the genus Paradisaea. Carolus Linnaeus named the species Paradisaea apoda, or legless bird of paradise, because early trade skins to reach Europe were prepared without wings or feet by the indigenous New Guinean people. This led to the misconception that these birds were beautiful visitors from paradise that were kept aloft by their plumes and never touched the earth until death. The greater bird of paradise is distributed to lowland and hill forests of southwest New Guinea and Aru Islands, Indonesia. The diet consists mainly of fruits, seeds, and small insects. A small population was introduced by Sir William Ingram in 1909 to 1912 to Little Tobago Island of West Indies in an attempt to save the species from extinction due to overhunting for plume trades. The introduced populations survived until at least 1966-4 but most likely are extinct now. The bird still appears on Trinidad and Tobago's $100 bill. Greater birds of paradise, like a majority of their relatives, they are fond of fruits and arthropods. Birds in female-type plumage are often found foraging in association with other bird of paradise species and even other bird species. Wallace noted in the Malay archipelago that they become active before sunrise, when their loud cries resound through the forest, as they move about in different directions in search of food. Male greater birds of paradise, as polygynous breeders, experience female selection, in which females choose male mates based upon indirect genetic benefits which increase offspring fitness. Since males do not contribute to offspring in any other way, or through parental care, females have to assess male fitness through courtship rituals, details of which are in the following sections. Males display in trees above the ground and congregate in a lek or court versus individually displaying for females. Males will initially congregate around common display areas on a secondary perch, away from the main viewing perches available, and flap their wings rapidly. They will then move to the main viewing perches, erecting their large plumes at their rumps over their backs and extending their wings. Other courtship behaviors outside of the physical dance can consist of bill wiping, in which the male pauses the dance and brushes both sides of his beak on the branch, as well as leaf tearing, hanging upside down from the branch, and vocalizations. Males use 8 variations of calls, commonly referred to as walks within courtship rituals, each linked to a section of the courtship dance: rising call, rapid walk call, wing pose call, pump call, baa call, nasal call, chugich call, consists of a guttural chugich note. That is all for this presentation about the bird of greater paradise. Thanks for watching. For more information about birds of greater paradise, check out Drawn from Paradise by David Attenborough and Errol Fuller.
Birdforest.com.